So I'm looking through Facebook Marketplace this morning and I'm scrolling through seeing what deals I can find. As you guys know, the car market is crashing. So I definitely want to find some deals just like COVID. So later we can make some money. So today I see a deal that catches my eye and it's a $6,000 Ferrari. Definitely is a project, but I'm looking through the pictures and something that my shop can do. So I messaged the guy, he does respond, and he's about an hour away. So I definitely want to go check out the car and see what it's about. Ferrari, Project Ferrari. Can't forget that we do have this 1957 project in the backyard that we're doing. I haven't taken it to the shop. I'm pretty much stripping it myself here in the back because we do have a lot of cars that we're doing for other people. As you can see, we are stripping it down. So one thing is, definitely have to think about this car before we go check out the other car today, because we got to remember that we do have this car, and I've had this car for 2 years and have not finished it. So definitely something that we have to think about. I just started it 3 months ago and started it and then haven't done anything to it because we've just been so busy doing a lot of different things, and that new project that's coming out at the end of the month that I'm sure everybody's gonna be excited about, because I'm definitely excited. So I have just this thing, I have this thing on here, and one thing we can't forget is just making sure that we're stripping down this car and making sure that before we go check out that Ferrari, that we do have a project. Okay, look at what we have here. Definitely very interesting here. This is the Ferrari. Well, definitely not a Ferrari, definitely is a replica. Definitely will be a very, very cool build though, because it looks like they did a really good job. It looks like they did extend the frame, and I just want to see what we have here. Car is in rough shape and it is very dirty. Paint actually looks in okay condition. It definitely needs a wash, so I can actually tell what the paint needs. But that interior, man, that interior definitely needs to be gutted. Who knows how long this has been sitting. From what I've been told, it's been in the barn since the early 2000s. Now, you can see those are actual Ferrari rims. So whoever built this Ferrari did put a lot of money into this build / custom replica build to make it look like the 1977. Looks like it is manual, but I'm not 100% sure if it is, because obviously can't tell. Looks like they did put a Ferrari emblems so they can match everything. And I'm just here just checking out everything that needs to get done if I'm willing to take this car to the shop and to do the build. But as I mentioned, we do have the 1957 at home that's been sitting there for 2 years as a project. That one runs and drive. This one has not been touched, and he does not know if it starts or runs or drives. So I would have to go through with that. He did tell me that I can get a battery and put it in here and see if I can start it or see what might happen. But we'll see. Obviously the fiberglass is cracked right there. So that's a lot of fiberglass work right there. Let's see this engine. Oh wow, okay, they put a Ferrari top or block. I don't know what that is. It's obviously not a Ferrari engine. Doesn't look like a Ferrari engine. If any engine guys know what this is, I would like to know, because I don't know what that is. Looks like they did put a Ferrari backing onto this to mold the car together. So from what I understand, it is from a Priero, and they did the extended. So this is actually registered as a Fiero, but they did put some Ferrari parts, which is pretty very interesting. Meaning that they did put in some money if they actually did put in some actual Ferrari parts into this replica. So, and that engine was pretty cool to say the least. Now, when we did open that door, which I didn't take a video of, I should have took a video of. There was a lot of fiberglass that needed to get done that they didn't do properly, and fiberglass is a lot of work. It's just a headache to deal with, and I think I'm just gonna pass on this car actually. But this is the video of when he found it in the barn. Look at that. This is what he sent me. It's pretty crazy. What would you guys think? I mean, this would be a crazy build. Definitely not for me. I don't want to deal with the replica or deal with the headaches of trying to get this running and drivable. I'd rather have the real thing. But it was just a crazy experience to see this car and to be able to see this car in person. So like and subscribe and comment down below what you think.